If you are anything like me, linear isn't just where your ticket lives, it's where your company's entire brain lives. Every feature spec, trade-off decision, architectural debate, and roadmap priority is sitting inside these issues. But here's the cold hard truth about software as a service. Availability is their job, but data ownership is yours. Linear handles high availability and infrastructure redundancy exceptionally well, but they cannot protect you from a misconfigured API key, a rogue integration wiping workspace data, or an accidental bulk deletion right before a sprint. If your workspace vanished tomorrow, you wouldn't just lose task lists, you would lose years of institutional knowledge. Taking control of your own point-in-time backups to your own storage isn't paranoia, it's just standard engineering hygiene. To create your linear workspace backup, click on Create Backup button on SimpleBackups, then select Linear Workspace, and from here you can connect your linear workspace. I'm going to connect my Northwind Labs linear workspace. Let's give it a name and click on Connect. After connecting your workspace, you can configure your backup. I'm going to call my backup Northwind Labs Linear. I'm going to store my backup on Simple Storage. With SimpleBackups, you can choose your own storage from a variety of options. Great. I'm going to run my backup on a daily schedule, but you can feel free to update this to whatever scheduling options that you want. You can also add multi-scheduling to your backup. After creating your backup, you'll be redirected to the backup overview page. From here, we can create a test run to see if everything works okay. Let's go ahead and click on Run Now. Alright, a while later, the backup has completed, and we can see here what our backup has captured. And this looks about right. We have 265 issues, and all of these numbers are correct. And that looks great. Okay, let's go ahead and look at our backup run. It took 1 minute to complete this backup. From here, we can run an automated restore. Let's go ahead and create a new linear workspace team. And restore to that team. I'm going to call this team Northwind Labs 2. And I'm going to connect it to linear. And I'm going to connect it to SimpleBackups. Let's click on Connect Destination Workspace. Make sure that Northwind Labs 2 is connected. Click on Authorize. And start our restore process. Right, so the restore has been queued, and we'll need to wait a bit before this backup is fully restored to our linear workspace. And that is really it. As you can see here, we have projects and issues being restored right away. Thank you for watching. Check out SimpleBackups at the link down below. Check out SimpleBackups at the link in the description down below.